Ladies. Listen, we gotta stop operating in our feelings in our business. It's a place and a time for that, but it's not right now, and it's absolutely not in your business. I realized a while ago that it is not about my feelings. Like, it is absolutely not about my feelings. If it was about my feelings, y'all, I would have quit like a long time ago. It's absolutely not about my feelings, and guess what? It's not about yours either. I'm here to let you know, I'm here to celebrate with you today and to let you know, like, keep leveling up. Like, I love to see my cleaning business owners, my cleaning business brothers and sisters leveling up. Keep doing your thing. I'm proud of you.